There are plenty of other benefits to meditating that as yet do not have scientific studies to back them up. I'm sure in the future many of these will make their way up to the previous list. It can enhance your self-esteem and self-acceptance, improve resilience against adversity, helps to prevent emotional eating and smoking, helps manage ADHD, can help prevent arthritis and other autoimmune diseases, can reduce symptoms of panic, and can decrease the need for sleep, helps to reduce substance abuse, and improves learning ability. It can better prepare you for stressful events and reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. It can also reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease and may slow the progression of HIV. It may also slow the rate of cellular aging, and it may actually be able to affect your reality on a quantum level.